Up to this point, we've dealt with explicit formulas for sequences. The general term of a sequence formula defines the relationship between the term number and the term itself. So meaning in this example, Tn equals 2n minus 1. The independent variable is n, and the dependent variable is Tn, and they're related. Okay, so if you want to know the 10th term, all you need to plug in into the equation is plug in n equals 10, and you would get the 10th term as 19. All right. A sequence can be defined recursively. This is new for this lesson. If each term can be calculated from the previous term or terms. A recursion formula shows the relationship between the terms of the sequence. So in this example, 1, 3, 5, 7, we've covered this before. The explicit formula is 2n minus 1, or if you want to use function notation, f of n equals 2n minus 1. And we get that by using the general form or general term of an arithmetic sequence. Plug in 1 for A, plug in 2 for D, simplify, and that's how we get 2n minus 1. This means that the term depends on the term number, so the term Tn depends on n. The recursion formula for this exact same sequence would be T1 equals 1, so I'm telling you the first term, and Tn equals Tn minus 1 plus 2, n is greater than 1. Tn is the next term. Tn minus 1 would be the previous term. If we were to write this out in words, we would say that the next term is equal to the previous term plus 2, 2 being the common difference. And we have this restriction that n has to be greater than 1 so that our term numbers are always whole numbers. So up to now, the general term that we've discussed, that is the explicit formula. Okay, now we're learning about recursion formulas. So let's go over a couple more examples. All right, in this example, T1 equals 1 means the first term is 1. Tn equals Tn minus 1 plus 1. This means the previous term plus 1 is equal to the next term. So if we write out the terms, the first term would be 1, the next term we would have to add 1, so 2, the next term again add 1, so 3, the next term add 1, 4. Try the next example on your own. Pause here. For example B, the first term is 2, and 3 times the previous term plus 5 gives us the next term. So use that formula to figure out the first 4 terms in the sequence. 2. The next number is going to be 2 times 3 plus 5, so 11. The next number is going to be 3 times 11 plus 5, so 33, 38. And then the next number is going to be, oh, running out of room, 3 times 38 plus 5, I believe is 119. Okay, move on to the next video.